Okay, it's Sunday the 6th of November, so let's have a look at the Ftse. Okay, so from last week, we've basically had 5 straight down days now, with no real pullback. Basically, we had the decision on Brexit last week, and we have also had the American election dragging this market down. So moving into next week now, the start of next week, the main thing that is going to influence this market is the American election. For me, basically, if Trump wins the election, the initial reaction will be down. If Clinton wins the election, the initial reaction will very likely be back up again. Okay, let me delete these. So, trading into the start of the week. Basically, you want to be careful. For me, I would not be holding any positions overnight. Certainly not going into the election. You know, if you're going to be doing that, it's just basically gambling. Lots of people did it for the Brexit decision. Lots of people got it very, very wrong. Okay, so what are we looking at? Well, with the market coming down now, let me just zoom in just a tiny little bit. We basically have a support area right here. Now, the market is just coming into this area. Below this support area, really, the market is coming back down into key support levels down here. You can see where the market has used these levels over and over again here, and then as we've broken through, we've came back down, retested, and this is where the market has continued on. So for me, next week, well, first of all, these levels right here, let's just mark them in. All levels of support going down. Now, if the market begins to break through here, it's very, very likely it's coming down into the sort of 6,500 levels, more likely down into the sort of 6,450 level. It's only if the market can break through these support levels. At the start of the week, I will be watching these levels for potential bullish bounces, certainly because we've had such a strong downward run with no pullback. Now, if we start to see the pullback, we want to start looking for continuation. Market pulling back, and then the bears stepping in once again, looking to continue this downward run. For me, the first real level for this is right here. The reason for it is, you can see the market has came up, fallen away from this level, it's then broken through, came back down, tested this level right here, where it's bounced off, came back down, it's sat under this level, going nowhere before it breaks through, it comes back down once again, and retests. This is the market giving us clues that this is a price area where both the bears and the bulls are willing to step into this market. So just to go over again quickly what we're looking at. First of all, at the start of next week, we're being a little bit careful due to the American presidential election. We have key levels of support here. Really, if these levels of support begin to break, this market is coming down into these levels down here. So the 6,500 levels, just mark it in. But really more likely is the sort of 6,450 levels. So basically the bottom of this trading zone right here. If at the beginning of the week the market begins to push back up once again, I'm going to be watching for bearish signs as we get up here, looking for continuation. The only thing to add to this is with the American election, if Clinton wins, for example, and we do see that bullish run, the market may push up way higher. There's really no way to tell until we get that result. If it does, I'll simply be watching up in these levels up here for that bearish reaction once again, looking for the market to come back down again. Okay, guys, hopefully that was helpful as always. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.